In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a store on Whop. If you're looking to get your business set up on Whop, this process is very straightforward. And in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it in a simple and clear way so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, go to the Whop homepage. This is where you'll start the setup process. So make sure you are on the main dashboard or landing area of the platform before moving on. If you're already signed in, that's great. If not, you may need to log in first so you can access the business creation options. Once you are on the home page, look for the option that says Start a Business and click it. This is the main entry point for creating your store on Whop. After selecting it, Whop will take you into the business setup flow, where you'll choose how you want to build your store. At this point, you'll be given a few different creation options. You can choose whether you want to create your store with AI, create it from a URL, or create it from scratch. These options are designed for different needs. Using AI can help speed things up, and creating from URL can be useful if you already have an existing site or brand presence. But if you want full control over the setup and prefer to build everything manually, the best option here is to create from scratch. Go ahead and click Create from Scratch. This will open the manual setup process and let you customize the store based on your own business details. This option is often the easiest to understand if you want to learn the platform as you build. Next, enter your business name and then follow the steps Whop gives you in screen. This part is important because your business name is one of the first things customers will notice, so make sure it matches your brand and is spelled the way you want it displayed. As you continue through the setup, Whop will guide you through the remaining prompts needed to get your store created. Take your time while going through these screens so you don't miss anything important. It's always a good idea to review each field carefully before moving to the next one. Once you've completed the guided steps, your store setup will be well underway and ready for the next stage of customization. That's how to create a store on Whop. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have the foundation of your store set up quickly and smoothly.